Happening when?
We are down at the dam. Oh, look at this lily field. Lily, whatever.
Dealing with the pseudo house.
That was easy. Didn't weigh much at all.
Yes.
Very flash peanut. Come out here to camp for the night. It's a new little camp spot on Proserpine Dam. You couldn't camp here before. So the council's opened up this beautiful little spot. Magnus has just gone out to drop the red claw nets. And I'm just enjoying the tranquility. Pretty beautiful. Here he comes. Nets are out.
Intrepid warrior returns. What's happening when?
We are down at the dam and we've got the nets out. We're going to try and get some red claw, is it?
Yeah.
Red claw. And if we don't catch red claw, we've got a backup, which is tandoori chicken on the hot plate, which is what I'm preparing now.
There we go, bit of tandoori happening. And there's tonight's accommodation, the old double swag.
Yeah.
And we'll spin you around. There's Chili Dog. Chili, what do you got? What do you got, matey? Got a bone. There's Pepper Dog with her bone. There's the stove, because you can't have fires down here, so we've just got the old gas ring. Might work out alright.
I don't know if you can see them, but there are loads of dragonflies here. It's time to go and check the nets. What's going on, babe?
Let's see if there's any red claw out there.
Okay. Is it boggy?
It's
Very shallow, isn't it?
dense water.
Whoa. Gonna get very dirty feet getting in there.
Two.
And me, I guess. That's one way to do it.
What are you thinking? Do it. Dang.
Now the hard part about doing this is remembering where all of the nets are. There's somewhere out there. Oh, look at this lily field. Lily, whatever. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're out of the weeds. There we go. There's one over there.
Jeez, that's heavy.
So does that mean it's full of
Must be
animals?
full of weeds.
Oh, weeds. Oh, weeds. Whoa. That's a lot of weeds. We didn't get any red claw, but we put the nets back out again. We're going to go back tomorrow. So there's a fire ban here at the moment. So this is a way that you can have a safe fire with the gas. So we've got tandoori chicken, some onion, capsicum, and corn. Yeah, we can whack them on. Whack them on, darling. Whacking them on. Corn wrap, double wrapped. Because if you oh, where am I supposed to put them then? Oh, where do you want me to? Is that how you're doing it? Oh, I think I put them in the wrong place.
Right.
Oh yeah, that'll work. I don't think we've ever done this before, have we?
No, I've never cooked like this.
We're just trying something different because
Just
you
cooking on a fire.
can't do an open fire here. You have to have a controlled fire. That's pretty cool though, it seems to be working well. Put the onion, capsicum and chicken in there. It's going to be more like a curry than a tandoori because we're a bit short of space. And dinner's ready.
It's so weird not having a headlamp.
So it's quite a nice way of cooking corn.
Well, it's the best way.
And it's really nice. You can get it with all the husk.
The husk one,
but
yeah.
it's hard to get that these days sometimes. So this one's got a pseudo husk. And you double wrap it. So the first wrap stops the charcoal from the fire, and then the second wrap you can put on your plate normally. But
We don't have any
there
charcoal.
isn't any charcoal in this fire, so it doesn't really matter.
Dealing with the pseudo husk.
How's that look?
Oh, delicious.
That is a beautiful corn cob.
Yeah.
It's so sweet. How's the curry?
Oh, sensational.
Can you shine your light on it?
Let's get my
Very
toast off.
dark. Oh, you're toasting as well?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks alright.
Looks beautiful. Haven't tasted it yet. I'll taste it.
Okay.
Well, the onion's good. Oh, wow.
Alright. So
That
that's
is
how
good
you
curry.
how you do bush curry with the hot, what's that called? That ring thing? Gas
Just
ring.
a gas ring, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a good curry.
I'm going to eat mine now. I'm going to go and check the pots this morning and hopefully there'll be something in them because there was nothing in them last night. So we put them a bit close to shore this time. There's our little camping spot. A few more people came in last night. And we're going over there. Much calmer this time.
Three little ones.
Oh, cool.
The sandwich. Put in the esky.
There it goes.
Empty.
That one has nothing in it. This is what it's all about. Taking a tinny and going down the dam with your dog. So we've got a good sized one here.
Well,
Good enough.
good enough for a sandwich.
He's a bit aggro. Look at all the birds. cooking up a bit of a breakfast.
Cooking while I'm sitting.
Which is strange, is it not?
Yeah.
I'm loving this gas thing.
What gas thing?
The heat that you've got there.
All right.
Because this time I'm going to straight on it. More conventional method.
Yeah.
What have you got there, babe?
We're converting the boat from 110 volts American to 230, 240 volt rest of the world. Wherever we go will be good now. So what we're going to do is to set it all up in our shed and have off-grid power here. Got a new peanut.
Another one.
Another peanut.
How many are we going to have?
This is peanut number 4.
Going from that one onto this one. That was easy. Didn't weigh much at all.
Yes. Yeah, with 2 blokes, it's great.
Wow. This one's very flat.
It lines up on the trailer all right though.
Very flat. Very flash peanut.
Well, cheers, mate. That's not too bad, eh? Didn't go anywhere.
Fancy seats, got carpets, got a floor.